I'm going to make a quick little Maytag video on the proper way to test a coil. A coil will function even if it has an open, a broken wire. It will actually function until it dies. It will actually produce enough voltage inside the coil to jump a little gap. What I have here, I have a Wyco, Eisman, and a couple Briggs I've been tinkering with, making little ignition systems out of. But you have to make sure that your coil, you can leave the ground in place, but you have to make sure that the condenser is disconnected, because that will mess with your readings. All you have to do, my little $10 Wally World multimeter, is take your multimeter, and where your plug wires attach, one multimeter lead, another multimeter lead in the other hole, and see, we have no reading. That is a dead coil. Now, I could actually get a little spark out of this coil at one time, and until it finally died. And the same with the Eisman. Find my holes here. 1 to 1 plug wire, 1 to the other, and 0. Dead coil. It is open. Eisman is actually 2 coils that are wired together in the center. 1 per cylinder. But like I said, this one would actually produce a spark, but it did fry. And what I have here is a little, these are comparable to a Wyco coil. About the same, even look almost the same. Same difference. 1 to 1 plug wire, and if I had a third hand, 1 to the other, and you can see it tests, I don't know, about 4K. And I have just a plain Briggs coil, same thing. 1 multimeter lead to one side, and I can find the other one. 1 to the other, and test out about 4K. I cannot remember right off what one of the Wycos tests out at in ohms, but a Eisman, it tests somewhere between 6 and 8,000, or 6 and 8,000 roughly. But like I said, this one time, recently, it produced a spark and it decided to die on me. But that is the proper way. You can actually get these to make spark even when they're going bad. You'll start adjusting your plug gap closer and closer and closer until finally you ground one of them out. The Eismans in particular, one of these will go bad, one will work, and you'll end up running a 1-cylinder engine. But I could put this back on and make an engine run, but just rough 1 cylinder. But these little Briggs things I've been tinkering with. I'm getting there. So, thanks for watching.